Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLA 2.1 GLA 220d AMG Line Premium Plus 7G-DCT 4MATIC. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in polar silver metallic paint. To start off with then, you have your bi-xenon headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch AMG 5-spoke alloy wheels with the silver finish, really complementing the polar silver metallic exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Artico leather and dynamic microfiber upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've done this, you are able to save it as they are memory seats as well. This vehicle also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 78,837 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with this, you also have your FM radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on the Mercedes-Benz GLA 2.1 GLA 220d AMG Line Premium Plus 7G-DCT that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.